Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo nipa ya okase okire se oye Assemblies of God ni. Na 2 years ni okwa Assemblies of God da. Anaso ontu ne na NC Assemblies asori dem da because of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Just nti no ye ne hikura. Na miti me Assemblies of God ni. Nso me kwa asori achepa. Sa Assemblies of God follow. Omo ya hypocrite. Nti me ya surprise His Excellency John Dramani Mahama okwa Assemblies of God. Bra yi de nti a waja asori no. Ode atudwa ye nti ensem a ode etudwa.
Busia, mo me kwhwe video yi. Ye kwhwe.
My fathers and mothers in Christ. The current legal impasse created by the Akufo-Addo administration on the Promotion of Proper Human Sexual Rights and Ghanaian Family Values Act, which was passed by Parliament, has set a dangerous precedence for our governance. The constitutional directives for action by the President are quite clear and need not have resulted in this stalemate. As I publicly stated, I'm a proud member of the Assemblies of God Church, and my faith does not permit same-sex marriages or relationships. No. Thank you. My faith does not permit same-sex marriages or relationship, nor does it endorse human-animal relationships. Or does it allow people to change their gender as they wish? This is a fundamental belief that I hold and is grounded in my faith. I therefore assure you that the promotion of LGBTQ and all the pluses will have no place in our schools and communities under my administration.
Yebomesu ewo Assemblies of God Church. Wenti na 2 years nye minan ansi hobium. Wenti na 2 years nye minan ansi hobium. The Assemblies of God, this is your product. This is your product. After winning elections, no, and the power say they are important. This is what you produce. Assemblies of God, this is what you produce. This is your product. Your product. When I'm with Tani the Bab one thing, Ghana one ten so when I'm with the Brian, gay and lesbianism, and I'm with the Brian. Enti muna na mujina omubom nsa wura ede man se wakase wakanya asasam no and do paka chem say it is no longer important. Na enya bia no sabi o hwe na enim ko wa jiminti obi a ona ankasa na dafu no chocho mucho na dafu ankasa ne Andrew Solomon ye ka Andrew Solomon na oye gay king kong na dafu ankasa no Andrew Solomon grant interview say ono na dafu ankasa ne the president, the then president in 2016 John Dramani Mahama. And this nipa catch us on no fighting gay and lesbianism by signing the bill for protect your values our geneti. And they were winning elections a year or catch us said those things are no longer important. And what's up by man in 2015 2024 2025 and South Africa for couples are gay abeg Ghana akwa jina ye Independence Square efi afe ano Ghana and the John Dramani Mahama promise a ode ma ye nyina anechi no obeye mampanyin no South Africa for ya omuye gay abeg Ghana akwa jina Independence Square efi afe ano wey no ode brayen wey what has been done about it? Mwako Jessica edi gay for the baba promoting gay and lesbianism. Mu catch Ghana for say it is no longer important. Telling the clergy about that important because at the end of the day, mu they achieve no mu share. Or the achieve kweshini bamba way e they achieve no share. na papa we me say papa we sa papa we ya ne yere mon kanche ne yere se me say omonita no mon kanche papa we yere se me say omonita no because obekom no oye gay e no nenam sa papa we me catch your plane nyaatwum papa we na eyam yese adebechi Sunday na Ghana fa dwara your friends perfume address chotwe se akotena se omuko asore si member dware Sunday na makotena we anim se meko asore no mbe nka me be ko village back oti region akonkwanta afuko akom village akotam me nananom abusuma ya reject for years no makofa asasum atna asasum uti ase nyansa biara nim se wo badwara akotena wenu anim so o kwa asore nyansa baako nim you are focused on the basic needs of Ghanaians. Basic needs need yen enti say opa ka kire say basic needs ni say also obesi your friend say basic need ni say oba build 3 stadium in 2026 now asako build 3 in 2027 and basic needs when teachers are we ye duma yen tua omuka no eno enya basic needs basic needs. And that the living conditions of Ghanaians are cost through to 60s, almost 70%. Almost 70% under your watch. And any basic needs. Nurses are on market ya come, no more deliver on details, Afri database system, send a beya bendi omukano, and any basic needs. And yekotia yo omugusu fight ewe UN resolution repression when omu for tantantan say slave trade. What is more slavery than a Ghanaian graduate or ye juma for 10 months 9 months 20 your friends are 15 14 months na yentuane ka aketuane ye say 1000 Ghana cedis 1005 2000 omuka. What is more slavery than that? What is more slavery than that? Enti mwa kasa mun shasie empam slavery wo krom ha ansa na mudi akọ UN. Mun shasie empam slavery wo Ghana ha ansa na mudi akọ UN. Obia ye adwuma for more than 5 years on tuna ketua mo otwale 1000 Ghana cedis 1005 2000 we braba na sa mabunu dibebo. Mutiama ko jina UN say you are fighting for resolution and transatlantic trade reparation when mu bro for kan sa janai we eno fa so bebre mo pesika agedi omu pesika agedi na say the basic needs any dia and the government officials government's presidential staffers more release omo salaries e dia mamu for March busumu pokranya we no more release omo salaries e dia mamu na mom nurses and teachers civil and public servants and civil servants omo ye adwuma for so many months ye mun tua omo ka omo de enya mu consent anyu de emfa mo ho Wenmu akronfo we Black Star supporters sika we and omu the best spend on them na ya move omu dia call World Cup US only on group stages in Kwao. This amount of money, do you know the amount of can crofo ebet me atu amuka en crofo amu di amuka omu ye adwuma en atu amuka no sa sika we munim ne ebet me aye. The president is talking about the basic needs. Show in the backyard. Show in the backyard. Mwa ene nipa de no misio. Mwa ene nipa ene no misio wa president ni fie ni backyard ni home region. And he is talking about the basic needs of Ghanaians. The living conditions of Ghanaians are moved by almost 70%. That is the basic needs of Ghanaians. Wejagbawe aha city Greater Accra Wejagbawe ko residents are crying look say ensure ni wa mo be no ensuo eni ho a omo benom wagya gbawe. And only the basic needs of Ghanaians.